The principle states that right to practice any profession or carry on any occupation, trade or business is regarded as a fundamental right. The explanation to the principle states that the fundamental rights are subject to reasonable restrictions which connote a limitation imposed on a person in the enjoyment of a right. Now, the facts in the present question are: the state sought to pass a law prohibiting the manufacture of the beedis in the villages during the agricultural season. The rationale was that there should be adequate supply of labor for agricultural purposes. The law also prohibited the old people, women and children who did not work on the fields and who spent their spare time making beedis from engaging in the activity. This law was sought to be challenged. So, it is to be decided whether this law is valid or not. The correct answer in this question is D, that is, the law is not valid because the restriction is unreasonable in its nature. So, from the facts we get to know that the state sought to pass a law prohibiting the manufacturing of beedis in villages during the agriculture season. Now, the law prohibited the old people, women and children who did not work on the fields and who spent their spare time making beedis from engaging in the activity. Therefore, what we get to know from this is that the restriction is unreasonable in nature because it has exceeded its desired objective. The desired objective of the legislation was that adequate number of people are available during the agricultural season for the agricultural purposes. However, the law, by prohibiting the people who anyways did not go to the field for working, such as old people, women and children who did not work on the fields, was completely unreasonable. Therefore, the correct answer is D. That is because the restriction is unreasonable in its nature. The law is not valid.